In this installment of Capi Connect, we will cover Capi Parts as a whole and what role we play in the parts industry. In heavy machine industry, performance is never accidental. It's engineered, supported, and sustained through the right components and the right supply strategy. At Capi Parts, we don't simply supply parts. We deploy solutions. What we call the Capi Arsenal represents a comprehensive portfolio of capital equipment components designed to keep machines running, extend their life cycle, and reduce operational risk across the full machine. Because modern mining and heavy equipment rely on multiple systems working together seamlessly. Engines, drivetrains, undercarriage systems, ground engaging tools, hydraulic components, sealing systems, and operator support equipment. Each system has a job to do, and when one fails, the entire machine is affected. That's why our approach is never just transactional. It's technical, strategic, and focused on supporting the entire machine ecosystem, not just individual part numbers. In many operations, flexibility is essential. Some applications demand brand new OEM equivalent components, while others benefit from professionally reconditioned parts that meet strict engineering standards. By offering both new and reconditioned solutions, Capi Parts helps operators choose what makes the most sense for their application, their budget, and their lifecycle planning. Because when reconditioning is done properly, it isn't a compromise. It's a smart operational strategy. At the heart of every machine are the engine and drivetrain systems. These components operate under constant load, high temperatures, and extreme stress. Precision tolerances, material quality, and supplier reliability all play a direct role in machine performance. Within the Capi arsenal, these components are sourced with a performance-first mindset. Because when power delivery is compromised, productivity quickly follows. Another way we help reduce downtime is through intelligent kitting solutions. In many cases, delays aren't caused by a single missing component, but by fragmented procurement and incomplete assemblies. By supplying application-specific kits, from gasket sets to sealing systems and structured component packages, we help ensure compatibility, speed up installations, and keep maintenance teams moving efficiently. The goal is simple: minimize risk and maximize readiness. Of course, some of the toughest working systems on any machine are the ones closest to the ground. Ground engaging tools and undercarriage assemblies operate in extremely demanding environments, facing constant impact, abrasion, and heavy load. Innovations like hammerless GET systems are helping the industry move towards safer and more efficient maintenance practices. Because at the end of the day, machine performance begins where metal meets earth. But performance isn't only about the mechanical systems. Operator seating, ergonomics, and machine support components also play a role in safety, comfort, and fatigue management. When machines run for long hours in demanding environments, these elements contribute directly to operational efficiency. Supporting the machine means looking at the entire system, from drivetrain torque to operator environment. And in many fleets, there's another reality to consider. Operations often run a mix of newer equipment alongside older legacy machines. Supporting these fleets requires depth of inventory and technical understanding. That's why the Capi arsenal also includes surplus components, legacy equipment support, and specialist assemblies that help older machines remain productive and economically viable. Because in heavy industry, uptime isn't just about today's machines. It's about supporting the entire fleet. At its core, the Capi Parts philosophy is proactive. We focus on identifying system-critical components, aligning supply with operational demands, supporting maintenance planning, and delivering engineered alternatives where they make sense. Every component we supply supports a larger objective: protecting uptime. That's why we refer to the Capi arsenal not simply as inventory, but as capability. Heavy equipment operates in complex environments where delays can cascade quickly and costs can escalate even faster. The difference between sourcing a part and deploying a solution is foresight. And that's exactly where Capi Parts comes in, providing technical component expertise across engines, drive systems, ground engaging tools, undercarriage assemblies, kitting solutions, seating systems, surplus stock, and specialist machine platforms. Not as a catalog, not as a commodity supplier, but as a strategic partner in machine performance. Because in this industry, uptime isn't something you hope for. It's engineered, and it's deployed. Thank you for listening. Until next time.